Hi everyone, another car, another day na naman tayo. So, Laika here and welcome back again to L.A Car Accessories. So today we have this sleek Lexus IS350 and the owner chose our Max 70 tint for his rear and windshield plus the first and second row. One of the best features of this film is its excellent heat rejection that blocks up to 99% of infrared heat and helps reduce solar heat inside the car, making every drive more comfortable. It also gives strong UV protection by filtering 99% of a harmful UVA and UVB rays, helping protect your skin while also preventing your leather seats and dashboard from cracking or fading over time. And lastly, what's really nice about this tint is that it stays optically clear, so you still get great visibility even at night or during heavy rain. Plus, since it uses a non-metallic nano-ceramic material and it won't interfere with your GPS, RFID, mobile signal, or other electronic devices.